Hello everyone. In this video I will just tell you how we can create a Google Meet and how we can join that meet. This video is just for that examination purpose for invigilation, how we can have a meeting with the students while exam. So before going to start this meeting, I just want to tell everyone should have a Gmail account that and we will type a link like meet.google. Suppose I have this account, this Gmail BC class. So with this I just want to create a new meeting. So you just log in with that ID and then go to this meet.google.com. Then you will get this kind of window. Here you can see two tabs. One is new meeting and another is enter a code for link. Suppose you are a host and you want to create a new meeting, then you will click on this meeting. For students, if they want to join the meeting, then they have to enter the code. Once we will share with them and then they can join with that. So let's see how we can create a new meeting. So I'll click on this new meeting. I'll get three options, which is a get a meeting link to share. Right now I didn't create any, so let's see how we create first. Then start an instant meeting. Suppose because every meeting room have its own meeting room, so that we don't want to share with the students. So let's create or let's schedule new meeting. So we'll opt this third option, which is schedule in Google Calendar. So I'll click on this. So we will get this kind of window. So on top of if you can see, which is saying add title. So title is something which you want to tell to the student or a subject. So I will just, for example, meeting for exam for tomorrow, or whatever date we want to tell to students, like for that, or subject also we can say key for that subject. This is the meeting for that particular subject. Meeting for the exam for, suppose Hindi subject. Here you can see there is a date. So on which date you want to have that meeting, the date we will select. For example, tomorrow is exam, so I have to create this meeting one day before. So I'll give 17 and I'll tell from where to where the meeting time. So I'll give time here like 11 to 1. So I will select here from 11 to 1. Suppose you want to have, anyway this is not relevant to our exam, but still I'm saying if we want to have this meeting for all day, we can click on this. So there is no need to give any time here, but we want this meeting only for 2 hours, so we will give particular time there. So after that you can add location also, it's up to you, that is not mandatory. And this Gmail will show from where you are creating the meeting. So this will be your invigilation Gmail ID, which we will tell in the instructions how you have to create your own Gmail account. So here you will get, you can see one code has been there with this Google Meet, which is meet.google.com. The last 3 this is the code actually. With this code student can join the meeting. So let's copy this link once. Copy, let's paste. So now let's come here. As I said, if I want to join this as a student, and yes, yeah, before doing this we will save it. So this meeting has been saved in our calendar with this. You can see on 70 there is a meeting for exam for Hindi subject, and time also is there. This is kind of a reminder, like if you forgot or in some busy work or something, so this reminder will remind you like in 30 minutes your meeting is going to happen. So before this is your calendar. So suppose now I'll come to the student part. Suppose they want to join, so they will just put this code and they will start joining. So while joining in, there will be camera and mic will be on. So you have to ask students to keep their camera on and microphone on when they will pronounce their roll number. But for invigilator, they have the choice. If they want to keep camera on, so they can on, or if they want to keep off, they can off. So now if they are join now, because I only have created it, so it's not asking me to for the permission. But if student is coming, so there will then one pop-up will come, like admit or deny. So host have full permission to give, like suppose, one second. Yeah, host can deny or admit that particular student. So this is the part, as a host, this is the microphone. When you want to speak to something to student, you can use this, you can keep it on, so you can speak. So all student who have joined this meeting, they can listen this. And if you want to keep on your camera on, you can click here. Suppose you want to, anyway, in exam we don't want to present our screen, but still if you want to present your screen, you can click here. Or whatever you want to show to them, you can tell, like you can show a window, a particular window you want to show or something. But in this exam we don't want to show anything to them, so let's keep it like this only. You can here three buttons you can see. In this you can do full screen layout also, you can change, because here you want to see all the students. So just select the tile, so all student will be seen in one tile, so you can keep observation on them. And yeah, as of now here you can see who has been joined this, because I only have created and I have joined this. So I'm coming here. Suppose you want to give any message to them, so you can keep hello students, or whatever information you want to give to them, you can type here and you can just post message to them. And after this meeting, suppose an exam is over, so you just go to this button, leave call, and then you click on this. So you will come to the you will leave the meeting. So meeting will be end for the day. I'll show how once you share the link with the student, and how you will start your meeting. So let's return to home screen. Suppose we have shared that link with the student, and one student is going to join the meeting. So you can see, like one student is asking for the permission, which I was talking about, you can just see the name. If he like we will ask student to join with their name and roll number. Like particular series, we will ask them to join with that particular name. So suppose I'm coming with like Urmila. So if you know this student is in your list, you can admit them or you can deny also, but you have to be very sure you want to admit or you want to deny. So this is the check for, with this we can admit those students. So let's admit it. I just admit that student. Now one more student in our list, which is this Urmila. So this is the Google Meet, how we can create and how we can uh, join the meeting and start the meeting, and how student will join this meeting. I hope all points are clear. So I'll share in how we can record the meeting also in some time. Just once.